Daily math review number 1, a medium can of tomato juice costs 92 cents and it contains 14 ounces of tomato juice. A large can costs $4.32 and contains 144 ounces of tomato juice. Which can of tomato juice has the lower unit price? Alright, so first one, let's see, medium can, 92 cents for 46 ounces. And then the large can, $4.32, 144 ounces. So let's do our medium can up top. I guess we can match our colors. So remember, money on top. So $0.92 divided by 46 ounces. So for 1 ounce, each is going to be, let's divide. If you put in a calculator, which you can, 0.92 divided by 46, you will get $0.02. That's for 1 can, or for 1 ounce, for our medium can. Let's take a look at our large can. So remember, put the money on top, $4.32, and that is going to be for 144 ounces. So we're going to have $4.32, so 4.32, divided by 144. You get 0.03 or 0 3 cents. That's for 1 ounce for our top. The reason is because the 1 ounce is because you divide both by 144. 144 divided by 144 is 1. $4.32 divided by that 144, what we did here is that. Same thing up here, divide by 46, divide by 46, or divide by 46. So when we take a look at these, we have 2 cents per 1 ounce in the medium can, or 3 cents per ounce in the large can. Well, which is cheaper? Which is the better buy? Well, the better buy is going to be 2 cents. I'd rather give you 2 cents per ounce than 3 cents, because that's just a little bit more. So the better buy is the medium can. So all we're going to write is medium. Or you can put medium can. Woohoo! I'll put a smiley face. And that's going to be our answer there for the first DMR. Great job.